Joining us now is Matias Herrero, the CEO of Gold Springs Resource. And here you are, nice to see you.
Thank you, same here.
All right, so your main asset is Nevada/Utah. Tell us about it. Well, why is it distinctive? Why is it different?
Well, we like the jurisdiction. Nevada and Utah are both ranked as one of the best mining jurisdictions in the world to invest in mining. It's geopolitically stable, rule of law, great infrastructure, unparalleled infrastructure, qualified labor. So it's a great area to be exploring, low environmental risk. So we have this property located 3 hours north of Las Vegas. It's exactly on the border between Nevada and Utah. And we've been drilling for a number of years and has great potential for expansion. So
you have how much in terms of reserves right now, and where do you want to get to?
Okay, so right now we have 720,000 ounces of gold equivalent. That's predominantly gold, and it's a bit of silver. And our vision is to become a multi-million ounce deposit. We have the potential for that. Like, we only drill 5 targets out of 25 targets, drill targets in the property. Those targets have outcropping gold mineralization. So there's tremendous expansion potential for our vision, our goal to reach the multi-million ounce resource.
So Matias, if investors are going to be following your company this year, what are some of the milestones that they can expect in terms of some of the news releases and the progress you're going to make?
All right, so we're going to start the year with some geophysical work on Central Jumbo, which is, we have the Jumbo trend in the Utah side of the property. And we're going to do some geophysics and structural mapping. And then we're going to start drilling. We're going to do about 9,000 meters of drilling starting in April. And what we're going to do is we're going to test, step out from the existing resources in Utah and expand the resource there. So those resources are open multiple directions. And we want to do about 9,000 meters, 50 holes in that area, and be able to file a new 43-101 resource estimate by the end of the year.
Okay.
Right now we have, as I mentioned, 720,000 ounces of gold equivalent. Most of it, 90% of it, is in the measured and indicated category. And our goal, as I mentioned, is to keep expanding the resource. And we think we can add ounces in that area fairly.
Okay, and then a 43-101 by the end of the year, as you mentioned, so
yes.
that's key?
Yes.
And so what's the plan ultimately for the company? You want to build it up and prove it out to several million ounces and then sell, or develop it yourself, produce it, start producing?
We will see what happened then. But we think that in an area like Nevada and Utah, which is a very prime area to be, if you develop a resource that has multi-million ounces, you become certainly a takeover target. Mm-hmm. And for much more than our existing market cap. Right now our market cap is 37 million Canadian dollars. If you develop 2 or 3 million ounces or more, these things sell for a lot of money. So we will see then what happens. If somebody comes and takes us over, great. If not, we will develop the property ourselves. And that's the game.
All right, sounds good. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Matias.
Thanks for having me.
All right, you're welcome. Matias Herrero, the CEO of Gold Springs Resource.